Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss the circular arrangement, and it is the another case. That means only two members or one member or some members are facing toward the center and some members are not facing toward the center. Okay, you know the case, that means all members are facing toward the center. So generally in this case, you definitely find which is the left and right side of the person depending upon the facing direction. And you are also well acquainted with the outside case. That means when all members are facing outside the center, so in that case you also acquainted which is the left and right side of the person depending upon the facing direction. But today we will discuss just another example, which is just about what inward and outward type. That means some members are facing toward the center, some members are not facing toward the center. Okay, very simple example. And so in this case, don't put the arrow mark when you draw the question. Okay, in the initial stage don't put the arrow mark. Okay, that means you don't know which members are facing toward the center, which members are not facing toward the center. So go through the statements, right? So according to your requirement, put arrow mark and decide which is the right side and left side of the person, then proceed. Okay, so that all the above statements are satisfied. Okay, so come to the board and see this question is how this question is different from the previous two questions, how it is a confusing one, how to avoid your confusion. I'm already telling you, I have already told you, but that means you just draw two diagrams, okay, in order to avoid your confusion. So in the similar procedure we try to solve the question. Okay, now draw one circle, okay, and also draw another circle, right, in order to avoid your confusion. And how many members? Five members. Five members are seated in a circle facing toward the center, and then ABC are also seated in the same circle. That means total members 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the second circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So important is don't put the arrow mark. That means you don't know which member is facing toward the center and not facing toward the center. It is very confusing. Okay. See, D, E, F, H, I compulsory facing towards the center. Okay, they are all compulsory facing toward the center, and out of ABC it is given that, but two of them means out of ABC. Okay, not facing towards the center. That means out of ABC means either AB or BC or AC are not facing towards the what? Center. That means they are facing outside. So overall, out of 8 members, 2 are not facing towards the center, right? 2 members facing outside, and 6 members are facing towards the center, right? Now come to the information. F is second to the left of C, right? Suppose put C here, okay, and you don't know, in this figure also you put C is here, right? You don't know in which direction the member C is facing, either inward or outward, right? So hence you put in one figure inside the facing direction, in another figure what? Outside, right? In one figure C is inside, in another figure C is outside. Why? Because C is the member among what? ABC. Okay, it is clearly mentioned that two of them are not facing toward the center. We don't know. Okay, C may be facing toward the center or not facing toward the center. Then in one figure put inside, in another figure put outside the facing direction, right? And execute accordingly. F is the second to the left of C, so this is the left side. Obviously this is the F. Okay, now F is from the first group, so definitely facing towards what? Center. In the second figure, this is the left side. Okay, determine properly which is the left and right side of the person. 1, 2. This is also F. F is facing towards what? The center, right? Because F is definitely facing towards the center because it is coming from the first group. Okay, so this one is now completed. Okay, Then E is third to the right of A. It is, I think, not linked or related with the first line. Skip that line immediately. Then go to the third line. B is third to the left of D, who is immediate left of H and I. It is not connected with this one. Just leave that line. And then last one, C is second to the right of D, okay, and third to the right of B. Here, C is second to the right of D, and also that C is third to the right of B. So what is the meaning of this line? C is second to the right of D, and okay, and that C is also third to the right of B. Okay, so come to this point. That means third to the C is third to the right of B. So C is here, okay, and also second to the right of D. You can put whatever may be given in the question paper. So C is here, and what is the position of D? Second to the right, and D is facing towards what? Center, right? So according to the first figure, if D is here and D compulsory facing toward the center, then C becomes second to the right. Yes or no? But which is not possible. Already F is there, right? If we put D is here and D compulsory facing toward the center, D is not confusing. Okay, facing direction is not confusing. So put D is here, okay, and facing direction is toward this. So then this one is satisfied. C is second to the right of D, but it is impossible in this figure because F is already here. Okay, so therefore this figure is cancelled. Right, now put D is here. Okay, D is here and facing towards the center. See, C is now second to the right of D. 1, 2. Second to the right. This is the right side of person D. D is facing towards the center. Okay. Now try to execute this one. Third to the right of B. So this is third to the right of B. So facing direction of B is also confusing, either inward or outward, because it is coming from the second group. Okay, two members, either AB or BC or AC, whatever may be, right? So then, what is the proper position of the B? See, keep in your mind, if B is here and facing towards the center, then C becomes third to the right. 1, 2, 3. Am I right? And if you put B is here and facing outside, 1, 2, 3. So now for the B, two positions are possible, this position or this position. If this position is applicable, B is facing toward the center. If this position is applicable, B is facing towards the what? Outside, right? So just guess, B may be here, B may be here in this way, right? Then back to this line, B is third to the left of D, right? B is third to the left of D. That means if you take this point, B becomes immediate left. Okay, so this is not possible, I think. So you take this position. B is third to the left. 1, 2, 3. Third to the left of what? D. Right. So this is satisfied. Okay. And D, after D, who is given comma? Who is immediate neighbor of H and I? So that means you write H is here or I is here. Otherwise I is here, H is here. Okay. No confirm information is given, right? So maybe I is here, then H is here, H is here, I is here, right? Then back to the second line. That means E is third to the right of A. E is third to the right of A. So you know only two members are facing outside. That means all other members are compulsory facing towards what? Center, right? B, C, both are facing outside. Okay. Then all other members are facing inside. Now put E is here. If you put A is here, that means E is third to the right of A. 1, 2, 3. Right. So I think this is your correct diagram, and this diagram is cancelled. Okay. That means this position is not satisfied. F is here and D is also here. Okay, which is not possible. Then first figure is totally 100% cancelled, and second figure is already correct. Okay. So this is your right diagram. Okay, so that means see what is the difference between the previous question and this question. Okay, in previous question you put all the arrow marks if all the members are facing toward the center, and you put all the arrow marks if all the members are facing outside. But in this case it is a confusing one, so it is not possible Okay, in the initial stage, to give all the direction. Okay, that means you read all the statements one by one, one by one, one by one, then set the facing direction. Again, consider left, right. So in this way, you proceed. Okay.